So we have with us Caroline, representative of Voice of America. I'm going to interview her to know this, what is happening in Washington D.C. and how's going her experience covering this special event. Caroline, thank you so much for joining me.
Sure, not a problem.
I've been watching your report. You have done a wonderful job during this.
Well, thank you.
Is this the first time you are covering?
Oh no,
this
no,
event, or how
no,
long
no,
it's
no,
been?
no. Many years. See this face? No, I've been here a lot for many inaugurations.
Right. So,
Yeah.
how's going your experience so far? How do you
Well,
see it different than any other?
The real difference is that it's inside. I mean, I wasn't around, back in 1985 when we last had our inauguration inside because of this cold weather. So this is all new to me. To only have 600 people in that portico in the Capitol is a really small inauguration. And then again, 20,000 allowed in that
Capitol Arena.
the Capitol Arena, which is what, 3 kilometers from here.
Yeah.
That's not nearly the 250,000 ticket holders
Yeah.
that wanted to see the inaugurations. But, I'm talking to a lot of people here. They're not disappointed. They're just making the best of it, right?
So they are happy with this, whatever.
Well, they're making the best of it. I wouldn't say they're happy with it. But of course, they had high hopes to see the new president being sworn in and the new vice president.
How do you see these next 4 potential year of American President Donald Trump?
They'll be different. They'll be much different than the last 4 years. He's already promised that. And you will see a lot of executive orders today. He's planning on issuing a lot of, I think 100 was the last number that he said, 100 executive orders, and everything from immigration to diversity. He's going to be, instituting his own mark on those subjects, and that's what we expect to see later today.
So, but I don't understand one thing. If you could help me out in this, that when Donald Trump says, American president, that we will make America great again, what does it mean? American nation is already great. Why he want to let everyone know that we are going to make it great again? I mean, already.
He wants to promote American products. He wants to promote things made here. That's why he's going to instill tariffs. Tariffs, yes. And that's why he's wanting to enforce what's happening here in this country. Nationalism is what we call it.
Okay.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।